check how small this little light is. This is perfect for, a light that you need if you're going to be hiking or camping or anything like that, and you want to be able to clip it to your bag or even your visor or a cap. Fantastic for that. Even straps around your, your shoulder straps, that would be extremely easy to do because you do have that clip right there. So that clip is 180. I can clip it on that side and I can clip it on this side. And obviously you just open it up and clip anything that you want in here. Now, the greatest thing about this is the fact that it is USB-C rechargeable. So you do have that USB-C input right there. You lock it into place. This is the off position, and this is where the light is. I'm sure you've actually just noticed it. But check this out. You can actually have 180 degrees. So I can turn it around as much as so I could literally, light up the pathway in front of me if I'm walking. If I have the visor and I want it lower, I can do lower, I can go higher. I can decide where I'm throwing that light, which is really, really nice. Speaking of light, it's extremely powerful, but you do have control over it. So on a full charge at its most powerful brightness, you're getting about 50 minutes, which is a lot. And you'll see why, because this thing is powerful. At its lowest brightness, you're getting 65 hours of runtime, which is unheard of. It's fantastic. Again, if you're in the woods, if you're going to be away from any battery source, this is a great little emergency tool. And I'll show you why it's an emergency tool. So we're going to put it onto a on position. So that's the on off. This is the charging. And this right there is the on position. And that's your button to actually activate it. So if I press it once, you're going to activate this very, very powerful light. I don't want to shine it into the camera because that might be a lot, but you can see how bright that is. And you have a dial right here. And that dial, I can go lower the brightness. As you can see, I can, look at that. Now we're lowering the brightness. Perfect. So you can see the brightness is completely lowered. And then I can go all the way to its brightest. And that's extremely bright. It's actually hot on my hand, how bright that is. So that's pretty incredible. And again, as an emergency feature, what I love is I want to turn it off. If I double tap, now it's this beacon light. Now it's doing the red and I believe it's yellow. If I double tap again, it's going to change red and blue, a little bit of that emergency signal. Tap again, and it's going to change again. Now it's red and green. It's got all the way to 7 different RGB colors. So this can be seen miles and miles away if you have this and you're in the middle of the woods, in the middle of pitch black darkness. This will be the beacon that you need and can last 65 hours like this. This is incredible. I think because it is so light, you can also have this around the shed as well, because this side here is magnetic. So if you actually put it on a metal surface, it will stay, and then you can just literally decide where you want to throw. Let me just turn this off and put it on back onto that light. If I want to throw that light somewhere, I can do that as well. This thing is super cool, very, very small, easy to charge, obviously. I mean, this will fit and go with you everywhere you need to go, and you need a little bit of light or a little bit of emergency situation. You've got everything covered with this one.